Happy Vlogmas day, I think 6. This is what happens when a dry shampoo explodes on you. I guess my grades are showing today. Get out of the trash! My dad got the tree up, so it's still not like crazy sturdy, so I haven't decorated it at all because I'm just terrified of it falling. But especially with ornaments on there that's breakable, I just don't want to have to deal with that. But I did turn on the lights and I thought that was very festive. So we have the lighted tree today. I might put the tree skirt around it, but as of right now, this is the finished product. And also, I'm thinking about putting a coffee bar in this corner. Would that be crazy? What do you say? Would it be crazy? Also, let's go ahead and end this vlog with this. So this is the advent calendar, and I need to give Alice her advent calendar thing. So today it has I think that's a hedgehog on it. And her treats are 2 little stars. So let me go ahead and open this and I'll be right back. Okay, ready? Here you go. Also, I have mismatched socks on. That's all. Okay, say goodbye to the vlog. Say thank you for tuning in to day 7, I believe. Maybe 6. I'm not quite sure.